Okay, so this is called the light switch, made by TuDiePie. TuDiePie. I feel like TuDiePie would be EW, like PewDiePie. Anyway, let's get into this. Music and volume, music, sounds and music check. Play. Introduction. You're 12 years old, you live in California, USA. Your mum is usually at work, so you're most of the time home alone. It is the 19th of November, and outside it is raining. You are home alone again. It's almost 10 p.m. Oh, this is gonna be FNAF. Oh my days. Oh, I don't want another version of FNAF. Oh, joke's on you, game. I've watched a lot of Home Alone stories, horror stories. Go check that out. Shakes. Living Runish. Okay, that's a bit awkward. Wait, I clicked on the Rubik's Cube! I got used to being home alone, but I'm starting to feel some kind of presence. It is weird. Damn. I can't sleep yet. I have to turn off all the lights. Does that include the fire? Okay. Yeah, we just walked through a door. Okay, we're just gonna... Oh, that's creepy. The echo. What? Oh, I don't want to answer the phone. Is this a light? Mom is acting weird lately. Maybe it's just because of work. She always works. She should take a break. That's a rip. I'm gonna crazy. Is that coming from upstairs or downstairs? It's upstairs? Maybe I should turn these lights off later. This is so weird. There are 3 carrots in the fridge. Just a few hours ago. My mum left in the morning. How did 1 carrot disappear? Maybe she ate the carrot. It was like a breakfast kind of thing. You know? Alright, let's... Why is this fridge only open halfway? Nah. Who's eating my carrots? Okay. I'm a very heavy... Is it 12-year-old? Oh my goodness. That creeped me out genuinely. Why is there just a random burger in the sink? Is that cheese? In the bathroom? The heck? Oh, I get scared opening these doors. Who's rummaging in my top room? Where the heck is my phone? I hate this. No. Is this the phone? I'm guessing the phone's not in here. I love playing video games on my computer, even if I suck at them. Well, you should see me. Why is someone storing carrots in the cupboard? You weirdos. I can't see where that is. Cool. It's like... Funky, it is a nice setup. Better than mine. Is the phone in here? Where the heck is the phone? Looks like we're almost out of soap. Do you just write this to yourself? Like when you're done finishing the teeth, finish cleaning your teeth, you just say, looks like, oh my, we're in the sink now. Just say, I forget what I was saying before. Okay, where the heck is the phone? Okay, I'm not closing all those doors, I don't like it. Where is the phone? Is that the phone? Where is the phone? The phone. I'm coming for you. Also, why is this phone ringing for so long? What the heck? Okay. I'm coming, just keep ringing. Ah, damn it, we got hit by the door. Oh, we've been in here. Where is the phone? I hear it. Wait. Here. Oh, it's in a totally other room now. Where is it? Oh. There it is. I found it. Hey, please go to sleep, but don't forget to turn off all the lights. Love you, bye. What? Why would you call me just to say that? Shouldn't you call me to turn off the fireplace or something? This is weird. Fun. We turn off all the lights. Okay. Guess we'll just leave the fireplace on. Alright. I think that's all the lights. I don't really want to check. I'm not closing the door. I thought we did. Okay. Come on. Where are the lights then? I'm searching. I don't have to close all the doors, do I? What light is on? Is it this one? Some weird glowing from here. Why is the toilet glowing? Okay. Is there a light switch even? Someone in the shower? I don't even ask. Oh, wait, can we eat that? We're a burger now. Searching all the light switches to turn off. I feel like there's a switch here, but I can't find it. This is some weird glowing toilet. And super creepy. Now, if this doesn't work, I will have no idea what switch to turn off. Ah. Did we win? And the phone's going off. Bender keeps calling me, huh? Okay, nope. Did that close by itself? Okay, I might just be paranoid. Ah, damn it, I'm looking for the phone again. Where was it last time? Here. He is here. Who is here? Who? What is happening? Who's it? Look. That was a weird glitch. Oh, wait. Who's here? Okay. Papa's home. So we're just gonna turn off all the lights. Like we should. I'm. Oh! Whoa. Oh my goodness. That one caught me off guard. Okay, fine. Come on. Let's fight. Come on, you little bastard. Yeah, come on. You in here playing Minecraft? Don't touch my Minecraft file. Oh my goodness, I don't really want to turn off the slide. Please don't tell me you're in here. Okay. I thought I saw something. No. Okay, I sure hope no one disturbs my sleep again. Oh. Are we done now? Okay. Oh. Have a light shone. Should I go investigate or just go back to sleep? I'm back to sleep. Hey, Doomsday. If the creature killed you while you were sleeping, maybe you shouldn't have went back to sleep. Ending. 1 out of 3. Press space to return to the menu. That was cool. I wonder what the other endings were though. Let's investigate. Ah, damn it. Ooh. Scary sound effects. Okay. Mom is sleeping in there. I don't want to wake her up. She's really tired. No, I do want to wake her up. There's a demon in the house. What the heck? Okay, I'm just gonna keep you in here, buddy. Playing Minecraft. Ah. Okay. Get in the bin. Taking a shower or something? You chucking a dump? Some fancy toilet seat. Toilet bowl. How the heck do I turn off the lights here again? Is there a light switch in here? But I can't see for some reason. Okay, I can't find the light switch in here. Oh, what's that inside? Okay, I'm walking down, searching for the evil demon in my house. Evil Doomsday demon from DC. It's always that weird FUD, huh? The phone again. Upstairs. What's upstairs? I'm sleeping. What's happening? I shouldn't leave this house and run. I'm guessing one of the endings is to leave the house. And my instincts are to leave the house. Ah, but we could have saved Mum. Okay, police. And then we save the day. It's like the cowardly option. You ran to your neighbor's house, you called the police, and they came to investigate your house. They found your mum in her bedroom, and no one was there. The good ending. The good ending! Ending 2 out of 3, press space to return to the menu. Now I'm guessing what would have happened if we confronted Demon Man that ate one of our carrots. Stop calling the number. Upstairs. She's in the house. So we're gonna go save Mum here. Alright. Oh my goodness. The The creature killed you, ending 3 out of 3. Press space to return home. Oh, that was fun. Fun. Well, there you go, y'all. Light switch. Honestly, it was a really amazing game. A lot of scares. Jump scares. 2D pie. Tuddy pie. I know, it did a great job in making the game. Just the overall feel of it, it was like... It was up there. I don't know, that was really good. And that's all from me. Until next time. See ya.